Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan has thought-provoking advice for youth. Prime Minister Imran Khan, who is self-isolating after being diagnosed with coronavirus, took to Twitter to send out an advice to the country's youth. Saudi leaders wish Prime Minister Imran speedy recovery. Following Prime Minister Imran Khan's positive COVID-19 test result, Saudi Arabia's leadership has wished a speedy recovery to Prime Minister Imran Khan. Pakistan Day Parade postponed to 25 March, ISPR. The Pakistan Day Parade has been rescheduled owing to bad weather in Islamabad. Broadsheet Commission recommends de-sealing Swiss cases record. The Broadsheet Inquiry Commission has recommended to de-seal Swiss cases record of the former President Asif Ali Zardari. Unidentified man kidnapped 2-year-old boy in rickshaw. In an unfortunate incident, a 2-year-old toddler was kidnapped by an unidentified man and a rickshaw driver in Karachi. Sindh government starts wheat procurement establishes centers. The Sindh government has started wheat procurement and established purchasing centers across the province. This is the end of today's news. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.